In this video, I am going to show you how to get YouTube TV trial promo codes. First, make sure you have access to a computer or smartphone with internet connectivity. To begin, visit the official YouTube TV website. Often, they offer promotional trials for new users, so check the homepage for any current offers. You might find a banner advertising a free trial period, usually ranging from 7 to 14 days. If you don't see any promotions, you can also search online for YouTube TV trial promo codes. Use search terms like YouTube TV free trial promo code or YouTube TV discount codes. Be sure to look at reputable coupon websites or forums where users share valid codes. When you find a promo code, click on it for more details. Some websites may require you to enter your email to receive the code. Once you have the code, return to the YouTube TV sign-up page. Start the sign-up process by clicking on the Try It Free or Sign Up button. Enter your account information and payment details. When prompted, look for a field that allows you to enter a promo code. Input the code you found earlier and proceed with the registration. After you complete the sign-up, check your email for a confirmation from YouTube TV. If the promo code was applied successfully, you should see the details of your trial period. Remember to cancel your subscription before the trial ends if you decide not to continue to avoid being charged. And that's it. You can now get a YouTube TV trial promo code and enjoy streaming. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.